Good morning, I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather, taking a live look at our radar. We are picking up in intensity in the Hillsdale area with the rainfall there, but some areas look like they're kind of drying out. You can see south of Mason, Lansing, north of Lansing, looks like we're getting some drier conditions there for a moment at least. And then west of us, we're still dealing with some consistent and moderate rainfall there. We're still under the flood watch though, and that's going to be until 8 p.m. for all of these areas shaded in the dark green. That's Ionia, Eaton, Clinton, Calhoun, Barry, and Jackson area. You're under a flood warning, and that is until about 1:25 a.m. on Thursday. And this is due to possible high water that could cause some damage to homes and impact traffic there. Now, there are some specific streets we want to watch out for in that area that there's a concern. High Street is one of them. LaSalle Street is also one of them. And also the Lewis Street is a concern there. So if you're driving through the Jackson area, keep in mind that high water is a real concern there. I pulled some of the rain totals. Here's what we've gotten so far in the last 24 hours in the Jackson area. 2.8 inches in the Jackson area. Looking at the Lansing area, we've got about 3.6 inches of rain so far there. I'm pulling up the totals here in Charlotte, 2.8 inches of accumulation. This is the last 24 hours. And Marshall, 4.6 inches. So that's a lot of rain, and we still have several more hours to go. Our potential rainfall, we said it was going to be over 4 inches, and this is including yesterday to today, and then what we're going to get for the rest of the day into Thursday. But overall, the heavy rainfall continues to be a threat. Localized flooding is still a concern. Winds gusting today about 30 miles an hour, and that could have some big impacts to your visibility on the roads. Visibility is a lot better than it has been. We're back to a 10 in Mason and Eaton Rapids, and 9 in Lansing. So we're looking pretty good. Down there in Hillsdale, though, Hillsdale is at a 2. And remember, I told you a little bit earlier, we've picked up an intensity in Hillsdale. So it looks like that heavy rain in the Hillsdale area is causing some impacts on visibility on the road. Current temperatures, we're in the mid to upper 60s. We're going to top out about 69 degrees today. But here's how things are going to track out for the next few hours. Here's 11 a.m. We're going to see some heavier showers west of Mason and Eaton Rapids, but Ionia looks to be drying out at that time. We advance, though, to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Mason, Hudson still dealing with showers. St. John's, though, and Lansing could be dry at that point. By the time we get to 5 o'clock, we are good and dry, and just some occasional showers might pop up after that, but overall we're going to be drying out. So we'll see some dry conditions to end the day. After we get through the day, only about a 20% chance of rain heading into the weekend, and we're looking good. Temperature-wise, we top out at 69 degrees today. Tonight, we'll see the temperature drop down to a low of 61. And then tomorrow, we see a high of 79 degrees, and the sun is back. We get plenty of sunshine. So tomorrow, the weather will make up for what we've had to deal with today. Taking a look at our 7-day, temperatures are looking really good starting Thursday, near 80 on Thursday. But then after that, we get into the low 80s for the rest of the week. And then we're looking at some primarily sunny conditions, but we will see some showers pop up. We are keeping an eye on Sunday night for some rain to be moving in late Sunday night, but that's still a little bit far out. But we'll continue to keep an eye on that.